What you got your connectors in the back there?
I don't know what the fuck that nigga got.
What you got in the back on the back side?
That go back there.
But that's where your connectors are.
Wait, so what's this running to? This?
No, that shit run into that thing back there where you plug that into.
They both run into the same thing?
Yeah.
But then
they bridge
like that on the they bridge on the connector.
Yeah.
So you good, just put them up. You know what I'm saying?
He helped you out a whole lot by doing that.
Yeah. Just make sure you don't pull it off of that bitch.
For real.
Then you have to
he probably 9 out of 10. He probably pressed that little gun on it.
Or that soda.
Yeah, soda that bitch. It's another investment a nigga need.
Man, I was looking at them little them thing hit.
Yeah.
That's the one I was telling you about.
Yeah, that's why I asked you a reason. Them bitches don't get hot, huh?
Fire as it.
I ain't fucking.
How they said you get what you pay for.
I need my big boy that's going. I them thing rumbling in that new problem.
That bitch bang though, I ain't gonna lie.
You know,
Spencer had put it in that car.
I'm trying to be able to have that bitch running, like, you know what I'm saying, for a few hours, you know.
Put you
Without
two.
getting hot.
Yeah.
Put you two in a little fan.
No. I gotta put a fan in that bitch. You gotta buy.
Hey, Big Randall. Nigga pop his trunk. Got a fan under that shit. House fan.
Gotta move it around.
Need some light? I got you right here.
I need to get me a box.
That screwdriver.
75.
It ain't bad.
Big salad.
Shout out to Bill Boxes. Giving you free advertisement. Hook a nigga up with a box, my nigga, for free.
Shout out to Bill.
Newberry, Louisiana.
Yeah, how much you gonna charge? He do the round liner too?
Give me.
Like to coat it like with that hard.
I'm $215 in my room. I'm putting it in that little Taurus I'm going to get next month.
Nigga probably do that.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
So you just gotta stick them all in that one port. Got them all soldered.
One came off.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it so I can put it back in there.
It's right here. Hold on. Let.
There we go.
Yeah, it was stuck on the box.
Nigga had that shit glued on it. You
Soldered.
Yeah, they soldered onto it like it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, boy. You need you don't know nobody with no solder, man?
Fuck me.
I know Emil got one.
What it is?
That white man down the store that own that store.
Email?
Yes, sir.
Think he open?
$20.
Either that
Nah, for real.
or you
You
can
spend
call
that-
him,
you
ask him
spend
if
that,
he could
you
solder
can-
it for you if you bring it up there.
Yeah, he'll do it for you. But $20.
All you gotta do is pull that wire out of there and bring it up there. Pass it back through there.
Or just bypass it by snipping that bitch down and tie two together and go straight to you.
Yeah, but I mean, it'll be more professional because you get it soldered.
Yeah.
And you never gotta worry about it.
Got nice ass box.
Never gotta worry about it, good.
No use of sharp cutting. For real, no use of sharp cutting.
Email better be open.
Call him. What time
I think
Get up close till
your mail
5.
closed like at 6.
5 or
5:30,
6.
6 o'clock.
Might want to catch him now.
We'll hook you up, bro.
And then shit. Well, you'd have to carry that in there because she'll solder that bitch for you on site. She cool.
You just carry the wires in there.
Yeah, that's all you gotta do.
Tell her you need it soldered right quick.
Just the wire.
50 cents or a quarter.
Why she break
She
everything?
might not even charge you. Chevy Camaro. V6, V8. Don't know. Sound good. V6.
That V8.
That bitch heavy?
People was in earlier.
Yep. Heavy for a handicapped nigga.
Motherfucker.
Probably made me get a knot on that damn carpal tunnel.
I need that trick because I need to screw that fucking.
They got some screws down there.
Back of your magnet.
For real. They all stuck on it.
Need them screws for this.
They all stuck on that magnet. On the other one. I'm doing good today. I'm at 5 minutes on my second
I
video.
might just get some better 12.
I'm gonna see how them thing gonna sound. Them DJ speakers I got.
Yeah, boy, you straight?
Them bitches look brand new.
Yeah.
And break them in. Like,
Two.
how much max power?
20 feet. Yeah, man.
250 and 100 watt out.
I'm by the pool right now. Get my car washed. They almost done with it.
Whitney.
Alright, it's all good, bro. You
Let them look at what that look like there. What's good?
So they could do another check out.
Might as well get it
We in
soldered.
that fucking trunk.
Oh, man.
Yeah,
what they said about them seals and shit, bro. There's a lot of seals back there.
Where Home Depot out there?
I want to get them folk.
Yeah,
I got the other two to my house.
All right, going back to the yard?
Yeah, but that
Oh,
many.
you got folk?
Oh,
God damn.
man, them bitches facing up.
True.
Man, two facing up and two facing
You got
side.
4 of them done. You looking for 2? Yeah, you gotta look hard.
Yeah.
Alright.
Shit, man. I'm gonna pass it down, man.
I ain't got no screws, man.
What, you ain't gonna put on 40? You ain't gonna put on 40?
I'm going to put all four right now.
Fuck, I'll buy that.
That's what I was trying to do. Yeah.
$300
And he smoked weed.
Yeah?
Let's see the tap marks. Like another video, he calling out all vehicles, no matter what it is, how it come. Bring your cash. That's your ass. Can hold this shit all day. Mm-hmm.
I just put the phone in there.
Yeah.
$200.
From right there, it look like you got pearl in that bitch. Look right here. Mm-hmm.
I hate that too. Just once you put in the bugs, won't come mess with your shit.
Spray that just on the front before you wash your shit for them bugs. Keep them bugs off your shit.
Whitney. Tell them one more time your detailed information, Whitney.
I am Big Wit, detailed man, the one and only man that's gonna get you right. Anybody you go by, go get you right, but it ain't gonna do it. It ain't gonna be my job.
What's your
Once
number?
again, Big Wit's detailing. 337-486-9611. Fuck with me.
One more time.
Big Wit's detailing. 1337-486-9611. Get with me. Choo, that's a damn shame.
Shit, you should see what I'm seeing.
Oh my goodness.
That bitch like a rainbow when that light hit it.
It's shining, bro. It's blinding me, cuz.
It caught something bad, huh? Ain't even hit the gas till I said that.
My partner was telling me about that car, but I ain't hear it yet.
Shit.
I hear it.
That shit sound bad, son. Who in that thing?
I don't know if he got a club cat or what.
It's stopped up. That bitch, oh, that's a cougar. That pussy ain't good no more.
Hey.
My other video just loaded up, 24 game. Make sure y'all go check it out. It's an hour and something worth of footage. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, notification bell for all. Ring that shit. Leave y'all comments. Those of y'all who got time typing that negative shit in my blog and in my comment section. I ain't got time deleting that shit.
Each light till they get to the end. Oh yeah.
Miss 2 mil, y'all. Big boy just passed with a whole Subway sandwich in his throat.
But I'm Tyler Brandon.
For
From
real.
Tyler Brandon.
Yeah.
They got them fucking dot on there.
Both front tire bottom thing was $200.
200.
Yeah, for both of them. Or it was like 2 something. Embarrassing.
I gotta spend $628 for full tires.
Yeah, shit. I went to a shop in
I gotta spend.
Lake Charles. A shop in, no, what you call that, Westlake. That's where I was at, Westlake at the tire shop.
I gotta spend $800 some dollars for a set.
Shit.
Shoot, no. What size that is again?
You got the Vogue.
Got a Vogue.
That ain't bad for Vogue, though. You
Yeah,
end
ain't
up
bad.
spending like 50 and
Yeah.
60.
Mine,
Yeah.
the 20s is 1600.
Boy, you got 50% off, boy.
Yeah, boy. I got me and Big Tree. Me and Big Tree got a thing, a website, boy. Yeah, boy.
Shit. I ain't about to put no Vogue on the Mustang. Oh, no.
The next 2 months, them things them Vogue gonna be gone.
That boy smoking them Vogues.
The next 2 months, them Vogue gone, boy.
Oh, hey. That's for cushion, like.
For real.
Them bitches got ass. Yeah. That's the performance time. Gripping.
Scratch that bitch.
When they got them tie hollering, you heard that?
Yeah, and then I just did my little service this morning, too.
Straight up.
Little transmission service.
Chappelle Show.
I should have threw that on there when you had me on the. This is the Chappelle Show detailing, called detailing.
Oh, you still alive? What?
Get
Look up.
with your boy.
Look up. What?
Check your fluid though.
Yeah, she bought Dave Chappelle's detailing. You heard me? The one and only phenomenal detailing you can find in America. You heard me? Get with your boy.
No, change it before it get dark.
I'm rich, bitch.
Change it when it's kind of when you see. Yeah.